Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to check your Bitget referral code. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Bitget Exchange app. Once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the profile icon. As you can see here under Quick Access, you should have referral. Now, if you don't have that, don't worry. Just go to scroll all the way down and tap on More Services. Now, under the Rewards tab, you should be able to see referral. Okay, so tap on it. Wait for it to load. If it's your first time, there'll be some pop-ups right here. So just basically tap on X. Once you're in here, just go to scroll down and here you have some invitation activities. For example, you can go ahead and use the referral program right here. Invite one friend to get $30 worth of Bitcoin airdrops and mystery boxes valued up to 1,500 USDT. So tap on join now, tap on register. Once done, you can now go ahead and tap on the copy button right here, and here you have your referral code. All right. And if you want to as well, you go ahead and tap on the send button right here so that it will open up your Telegram. Okay. You can go ahead and send the referral or referral link directly to your friends right here. Now, another option, you'll have the QR code option as well. Okay. QR right here. All right. And as you can see here you have the QR code and your referral code. You can just go ahead and take a screenshot of this one and share it to whoever you want. Now, another way to check your Bitget referral code is just by going to the top left, tap on the profile icon, and then here, tap on the right arrow key besides your username. Tap on it. And as you can see here under profile, we have UID and referral code. Okay, you can just tap on your referral code right here and it'll be copied. And that's how easy it is to check your Bitget referral code. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.